Hello everyone. Today we will be looking at the PrestaShop product site chart module, its working and configuration. Product site chart module has been specifically designed to help both customers and merchants, as there are various customers who are initially puzzled by various combinations or sizes of a product, that which one to buy. So providing a site chart on the product page not only helps your customer to decide better, but it will also help merchants to decrease the returns, as various returns created by customers are basically due to size issues. Let's just quickly go to the module configuration. We will click on configure. In the configuration setting of the PrestaShop product site chart module, there are two options: display site chart as pop-up and the template type. But these two options can only be explained after creating a site chart. So we will see how we can create a site chart. In the catalog section of your PrestaShop, another option named as product site chart is added. To create a new site chart, you can click on product site chart. Add new site chart page will open after that. Now I will just quickly fill in the relevant details to create a new site chart. This image option has been provided to add a size guiding image, as we generally see on multiple websites, to explain what the attributes of your site chart resemble. I will just add a image here for a shirt. There are two options to create site chart inside site chart type. First one is predefined and second one is custom. Firstly, we will see what the custom one does. In case of custom one, if you want to create a site chart with the attributes which was not created in your PrestaShop, then you can directly create here. But in case if you want to create a site chart with the predefined custom values, predefined attributes values, then you can simply select the predefined here. Then you will need to select the attribute, like I have selected size here. Then you can select what are those attribute values with which you want to create a new site chart. Like I will be selecting here 4 of them. I have created with 4 of them. Add row. These options are provided to create different sizing measurements for your site chart, as we generally see on site chart. Like in case of shirt, there are multiple options like shoulder length or the relevant size of a brand which it runs. For the representational purpose, I will just quickly fill some values in these. If you You can also choose to enable or disable the site chart as per your convenience, but as we want to create a site chart, then we will enable this option and click on save and stay. A site chart has been successfully created. As we can see, this site chart is listed also here. Now, to add this site chart on a product, you can click on products. You can select whichever product you want to add a site chart on that. Like I will be selecting here this printed sweater. To add a site chart to this product, we will click on modules. On clicking on modules, you will see that PrestaShop product site chart module is already added here to configure. If you want to add a site chart on the product, you can click on yes. In case if you have multiple site charts, then you will see all those site charts here. But as we have already created a single site chart here, then we are supposed to select that site chart. A preview of that site chart is also displayed at this page so that you can confirm that the site chart selected by you is the one which was created by you, to avoid the discrepancy between the two. Or you can also create a new site chart in case if you want to, and another option is also given here. We will just quickly save the settings. The settings has been successfully updated. Now we will go on to the store page. We will on this printed sweater, we have added the site chart. This option has been added on this product. In case if anyone who is willing to buy this product, he can see the site chart by clicking here. This site chart will be displayed to the customer. As I have already told you that there were two options in the configuration setting of the module, which can be only explained after creating a site chart. Hence, let's quickly see the effects of those two options here. Here we have selected as display site chart as pop-up. Yes, it is enabled. Hence, this site chart we are seeing here on the product page is displayed in a pop-up after clicking on the site chart button. In case if we disable this, then the site chart is displayed itself on the product page, then no pop-up will be displayed and the customer can view the site chart on the product page itself. There is another option too, template type, display attribute value row wise or a column wise. Attribute value created by or selected by us was these S, M, L, XL. As in the configuration setting, display attribute value row wise is selected, hence these values are displayed in a row. In case, let's just see what effect does it create on the front end if we select the column wise. The settings have been updated. Just quickly reload the page. As you can see that the attribute value, position of the attribute value is changed in the changed in the site chart. It was earlier in displaying it as row wise, but now it is being displayed in the column. There are another options also in the product site chart module. To see that, we can again go to product site chart option. Another option given with the site chart module is site chart bulk action. This option is specifically provided to ease the process of adding a site chart one by one to all the products on which you want to add. In case if you have multiple shirts or multiple sweaters of a same brand which runs a same size measurement guides or site chart, then you don't need to add those site chart one by one on going to all the products, as I described that how we can add site chart on a product. To do so, you can just click on add new filter to create a bulk action. Like in case if I create a bulk action for this name pattern, you need to enter at least 3 characters here. And you need to select the category of the in which this search will apply. You can also limit the search results on the basis of brand, suppliers. These are additional options. Now just let's see what search result is displayed on these parameters. Then look, we got following results on searching through whole home category with this hum pattern. There are multiple products with this, like these printed t-shirt, printed sweater. These two both options, let's suppose that they both run on a single site chart as we already created. Let's suppose, and you can select the site chart, whichever site chart you want to apply on this product. I have created. We will click on save and stay. The site chart was already applied on this product, Hummingbird printed sweater, but as you can see that I have created a bulk action and I have selected that it should be applied on printed t-shirt too, then it will be applied on printed t-shirt also. Let's see whether it has been applied or not. Yeah, the site chart option is here and the site chart has been successfully applied on the product. The list of the bulk action is added here only. You can create multiple bulk actions. You can also create multiple site charts for multiple type of products, and in this way you can easily enhance the functionality or enhance the quality of your product page by easily giving another functionality of site chart on your product. Hence, this was all about the PrestaShop product site chart module and the process to create a site chart and to apply it on different products. Thank you. And in case if you still have any queries or doubts about it, you can always create a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com, or you can also mail us at support@webcool.com. Thank you.